Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Evaluate 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square goes on up to minus 2008 square plus 2009 square. So I could observe a definite pattern over here. Whenever we have odd number square, we have a plus symbol in front of it. Whenever we have even number square, we have a minus symbol in front of it. Odd number square, plus symbol in front of it. Even number square, minus symbol in front of it. Odd number square, plus symbol in front of it. Even number square, minus symbol in front of it. So I'll be going to rewrite this question so that it may become easier for solving. Guys, 1 square I have written separately out over here, and 3 square minus 2 square can be written by me after rearranging these two terms, and then later on it can be written by me as 5 square minus 4 square over here, because here somewhere here 5 square would be there. Then at the last place it could be written by me as 2009 square minus 2008 square. Now guys, one identity you had already studied, you might be remembering. A square minus b square can be written by me as a minus b into a plus b. So that I'll be going to apply it over here. So guys, 1 will be written by me, very first position. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 you are knowing, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 you are knowing. Then 5 minus 4 as 1 you are knowing, and 5 plus 4 as 9 you are knowing. And at the last position, what could be written by me? 2009 minus 2008 as 1 you are knowing, and 2009 plus 2008, 4017 you are knowing. So I would be getting one series that will be 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus goes on up to 4017. So you might be wondering which type of series sir this series is. That is your final answer, my dear students, but you should not write it as it is. So this is an arithmetic progression. It's an arithmetic progression. Why it's an arithmetic progression? Because difference between consecutive terms is a constant quantity. That is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So what is the a value over here? 1 is the a value over here. What is the d value over here? 4 is the d value over here. And I don't know the n value, but I know this nth term of this arithmetic progression is 4017 over here. So guys, we have nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d, that I'll be going to apply. That is, we are knowing 4017 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 4 it will be. Hope you guys would have got my point till here, because this is very easy. Now guys, 4017 minus 1, when I'll be going to do 4016 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1 it will be. That means n minus 1 is equal to 1004 it will be, 1004 it will be. Hope you guys would have got it. So n is equal to 1005 it will be, 1005 will be. As soon as I got n value, we have Sn formula. Sn formula, what do we know? N by 2 into a plus an. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or it can in turn be written by me as n by 2 into a plus l, and l is the last term, which is equal to an. So l will be 4017 over here. So what will be written by me? N is what we are knowing. Guys, n is 1005 we are knowing, divided by 2 is equal to, multiplied by a is what we are knowing, 1 we are knowing, and l is what we are knowing, l is 4017 we are knowing. So 4018 will be achieved by me. So 1005 will be remaining, multiplied by 4018 divided by 2. Till here, hope you guys would have understood it. Now guys, divide it and multiply it. So what will be getting? 1005 multiplied by 2009. So multiplication you guys are very much comfortable with. Let's multiply it and get the final result. So the final result for it will be 2019 045. This will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students. Please like and subscribe. Also put your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for your support.